Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Ashanti as he explains and releases the voice note of the truck driver who had brought, I think, allegedly Donnelly's body from one area to the next. So allegedly, um, that's what's found. So let's watch the video and listen to the information that has been said.
I'm done with it. I carry from where me carry to where. Him carried from where him carried to where. I wish by that. I wish address that. Right the same admit. Same him bring something. Right the same admit. Him says not a coach. He not gonna upholstery. But he admit right there. So why never tell the police them when them come for him chuck? I wish bar and where him bring away. Come admit right there. Cause before me want admit say bring a coach, cause I know the coach represent the body. Let's listen again. Yeah, but we need to know where I'm going. We need to know where I'm going, bad man. You give me a work, I'm do a work, I'm done with it. I carry from where me carry to where. And then I be other thing. We need to know where I'm going, bad man. Kinda like them, let me know where I'm going. Him admit say him get paid for do the work. Him carried from where to where. Really? Him admit this so. Say him pick up something from the yard. Although him now want admit to the coach, cause I know the coach represent Donnelly. Now look like how we have to solve this, cause the police them not doing a fucking job. Not doing them job. I need to know where I'm going, bad man. You give me a work, I'm do a work, I'm done with it. I carry from where me carry to where. And then I be other thing. We need to know where I'm going, bad man. Kinda like them, let me know. Him a say him need to know where I'm going. Him know where I'm going. Number one, him see it all over social media. Number one of all, him take the body. So him know where I'm going. Him see it all over social media. Even more important, the police them come check him and take away him chuck. So him know exactly what I go on. Him not a try incriminate for take out for himself and incriminate no well. Cause I want to take this for him on. I'm involved in nothing. We need to know where I'm going in the jail. They're investigating me for somebody that was seen at my apartment. My girlfriend. Like I was somebody. That's the only reason. That's it. So I just pick with the road, pick up a coach, is it, and uphold some place. But just stop me from pick up the coach and uphold some place. He's not comfortable with whatever, the body. He probably want to go someone more. I'm nervous. Probably there's someone where I get discovered soon. Probably I eat that was in the picture. Let's see and wait for some confirmation. That's the portrait place. Alright. I don't know why I talk to me, so probably them already convinced or whatever. So, you talk to you. Convinced or what? Come be a calling. Yeah, man, say, I know why I talk to him, so. That mean, oh, you talk to me like you don't understand the court talk about the coach. And you know what he did. Who convinced him? The police them. You already rat him out. And that no other thing. You already talk up the things them. My happy say him release the recording them, Nicola. I'm happy. If me was him, I wouldn't, but I'm happy he did. But I couldn't be him because I wouldn't do that. I'm happy. Up and running, Matlock.
My boss.
Yes.
My gut feeling tell me that she.
Me not understand.
Somebody called Andre a while ago and asked Andre to remove the picture off his story. And she got asked other bloggers to remove it off of the story too. Oh my god, play more cry. And she said,
Who called Matlock? Yeah, who called though? Anybody can call. Who called? Him did move the picture.
You called me this morning.
If I see that police step on the scene and police recover it, if it's her. Because I can't see the police long sleeve blue shirt.
Me just
Hello.
take me for your life, please.
Yes. Okay, me know. Okay. Okay. Yeah. As me say, no coach never come out. The trucker forget arrested. Noel forget arrested. And baby mama forget arrested. Me can't confirm yet, but it's a good chance.